Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching how to make one of my crochet patterns, the granny square hexagon. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, you will need to know how to make the slip stitch, and you will need to know how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. There are several different ways you can make your hexagon. You can start by using the magic ring. You can use the slip stitch method or the chain 4 method, which is what I'm going to be using today in my tutorial. So you can already see that I have made my chain 4 here. And 3 of these chains are going to count as 1 double crochet. I'm going to be working into the first chain that I had made, the farthest one from my hook. So I'm going to make a double crochet into that chain, the one farthest away. So right now we have 2 double crochet because these chain 3 counted as 1. I'm then going to make 1 chain. You're going to want to make 5 more sets of these double crochet plus the chain. So I'm going to make 2 double crochet into the same chain that we have been working into. So 1 and 2 and then 1 chain. So that's going to be 2 sets so far. 2 double crochet into that same center space, plus a chain, that's the 3rd set. 2 double crochet into that same center space, plus a chain, that's our 4th set. 2 double crochet into that same center space, plus a chain, 5th set. 2 double crochet into that same center space, plus a chain for our 6th set. And what I mean by that is there's 2 double crochet space, 2 double crochet space, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to slip stitch into the top of these 3 chains that we had previously made to begin with to complete your row. I am going to fasten off my row and change colors. Okay, I'm going to attach my new color into any of these open spaces that we had made from the previous chains. So I'm going to attach mine right here. I'm going to chain 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So I'm going to make a 2nd double crochet into that same space. That's 2 so far, then a chain. I'm then going to make 2 more double crochet into that same space that we've been working into. You're going to want to repeat this for the rest of your open spaces. So you're going to do 2, chain 1, and then 2 all into the same space. So I'm going to skip over to this space over here. I'm going to do 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet onto that same space. Again, skip over to this open space right here, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all worked into that same space. I'm going to skip over to this space over here, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. I'm going to skip over to this open space over here, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. I'm going to skip over to this open space right here. You're never going to want to work into any double crochet stitches. Throughout this, we're actually going to be working only into the open spaces. So 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. You would then slip stitch into the first chain 3 that we had made in this row to complete this row. You can see how it's already forming our hexagon. So that's going to be the 2nd row made. All right, I'm going to attach my next color. And I like to attach it into any of these open spaces made from these little points. So I'm going to attach mine right here into this open space made from the point. I'm going to chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet. I'm then going to make another double crochet into that same space. I'm going to chain 1. I'm then going to make the 2 double crochet again into that same space. You will do that for any of the corner spaces. So you can see that we have now formed an open space on the side of our hexagon. On any side, there's going to be an open space now. So in these side open spaces, you're going to make 2 double crochet. We've then come to another corner. So we're going to do this one over here like we did over here on this corner. We're going to do 2 double crochet. Chain, then 2 double crochet. We've come to an open space on a side, so we're going to do just 2 double crochet. We've come to a corner, so we're going to make the 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, all in that same corner space. Side space, we're going to make 2 double crochet only. Corner, 2 double, chain, 2 double, all in the same space. Side space, 2 double only. Corner, 2 double, chain, and 2 double. Side space, just 2 double only. Corner is 2 double, chain, and 2 double, all in the same corner space. And we've come to our last side space, and that's going to be just 2 double. You're then going to slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you had made in this row to complete this row. So for any future rows, you are going to want to repeat your 3rd row. You're going to do any of the corners, you're going to do 2, chain 1, 2. Then any of the open spaces in between these, as it gets bigger, there's going to be more. So you can see on this next row, we have already made 2 open spaces in between each cluster of the 2, chain 1, 2. So then you would just work 2 double and then 2 double in this one, and then just do the clusters like usual. And that is going to be how to make the granny square hexagon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. You can leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.